Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It's Friday. September 18th, 2020. All right, lots of stuff going on we're going to talk about in a second. But let's start off with this. Stock trading doesn't start for about 30 minutes. 31, actually. Okay, lovely. So what's happening? Stock futures are slightly higher, pointing towards a higher open. Actually, the Dow is flat. The S&P 500, the NASDAQ are slightly positive. Okay, dollar slightly weaker. You got the 10-year yield 0.67. Crude oil is lower. Okay, so it's going to be an interesting day to see how this market plays out. Gold and silver are catching a bid, not a big one, but a bid nonetheless. Cryptocurrencies are more or less flat. We'll see. We'll see how this day plays out moving forward here. But again, look, no matter what happens, and we just heard from, this is one of the things I wanted to bring to your attention, from Fed President Bostic. Fed President Bostic this morning, I don't know how many of you caught this man on Bloomberg, he's saying that a recovery is 3 to 4 years out. 3 to 4 years out. So what's the message here? The Federal Reserve is going to inflate tremendously over the next 3 to 4 years, which is, in my view, extremely bullish for precious metals, extremely bullish for cryptocurrencies, and it's bullish for the stock market. The economy, the middle class, will be devastated, continue to be devastated. And let's talk more about that here. So President Trump, and I said this would happen, okay? I'm on public record with this. I said the farmers would get another bailout, and they just got another bailout, another $13 or $15 billion bailout from the president. Now, what is this reflecting? Let's talk about that for a moment. How about the utter and complete failure of whatever trade deal he was trying to push on us? There's no deal. China was supposed to buy all this agriculture. Really? Worked out well. So well that we had to bail out the farmers yet again. I just did a video yesterday. Bailout nation. That's what we are here. So you can expect more industry-wide bailouts, not just for farmers and airlines, which are coming, but everything. This has gone way beyond socialism here, or communism, Marxism. I don't know what this is, but this is completely sick. I would imagine that when most of you saw I posted links to this, the fact that farmers got yet another bailout, you were probably laughing. Oh yeah, trade deal is tremendous. Fantastic. Phase 1. You can't make this stuff up. Yet again, it's impossible to do, people. But that's where we are. So you can expect more of this. And if you think this is the last bailout farmers are going to get, oh, you're wrong on that too. But you notice something? Do you notice what's happening here? Industry-wide bailouts all over the place. Backdoor bailouts for Wall Street. Federal Reserve buying all the debt. But Congress just can't get anything done for the American people. Do you see what I'm talking about here? This is a deliberate culling of whatever's left of the middle class. Period. The end. So get used to it. And get used to higher prices too. You know, the Federal Reserve, Bostic this morning, there's little to no inflation. Really? Oh, okay. You see, they have to convince you of that because the Fed's going to inflate. The Fed's going to create inflation. And as a matter of fact, he went on to talk about we have to make sure that inflation doesn't run too hot. Look, they can print all the cash out of thin air that they want to. They can add all the digits to a screen that they want to. The fact is we are in an economic collapse. Deliberately induced economic meltdown. You need proof? Farmers just got another bailout. Airlines are getting another bailout. We lost 860,000 jobs yesterday. Housing starts falling off of a cliff. But Larry Kudlow, oh no, we're in a housing boom and we're in a V-shaped recovery. Can't make that stuff up either. But the middle class is getting devastated. Absolutely devastated. And it's going to continue for another 3 to 4 years, according to Bostic here. So it's over. It's over for America. and it doesn't matter who sits in behind the Resolute desk here. But I'll tell you something. The fact that the farmers just got another bailout here, I mean, in my opinion, look, I understand the farmers need help, and I'm all for that. We need to eat, and it's very important. But I mean, I hope people are putting together the correlation here. Complete abysmal failure to get anything done with China whatsoever. What we did get is a Cold War. And China's got to be laughing their rear ends off like you cannot believe. Right? I mean, seriously, I can't imagine another way to think about this. All right, look, what do you think about all these bailouts? You're for it? You think it's the greatest thing? Because I got people telling me, oh, Greg, it's great that President Trump is bailing out the corporations because small businesses here in America aren't that important anymore. Really? This is how some people think? What are we all going to be, slaves to the corporate agenda? Really? Good for you. Go for those people that are saying that. Go work for one of these corporations and become a slave too. You know, this used to be a free nation where people could, go out there and build their own businesses. No, what we have today is this merger. It's a hideous thing to watch between this corporate agenda and this new American, new world order government. We lose. I don't know another way to say that, but we lose here. Anyway, expect more of this moving forward. All right, people, I'm going to let you go. Please share the video, get it out there, and I want to hear from you. How do you feel about these bailouts? You're happy that the farmers just got bailed out again because of the abysmal failure of any kind of a deal with China that our president promised us that we would get here? Something great for the American people, and he was right. We do need a deal, but we got nothing. Zero. Unbelievable. All right, I'm out here. Love you a lot. See you later.